Jump statements. While executing a program, sometimes we need to change the flow of the program. To do so, we need to change the flow of control from one part of the program to another. For this, we can use break and continue statements. Break statement. The break statement alters or changes the normal flow of execution of the statement by terminating the existing loop and continues the execution of the statement following that loop. Break statement is used to come out of a loop early when the specific condition is met. In break, the control skips the lines after the break statement is found and executes the first statement outside the loop. Example 1. Program to print number from 7 to 4 and another print statement when you encounter break. Pseudocode. Continue statement. The continue statement forces the next iteration of the loop to execute and skips the line of code within the loop. While executing a program, if the program control encounters a continue statement, the execution of the remaining statements inside the loop are skipped for the current iteration and the control jumps to the beginning of the loop for the next iteration. The loop's condition is checked again, and if it is true, then the control enters the loop. Otherwise, the control will be moved to the statement immediately after the loop. Example 2. To print number from 9 to 2 by using the continue statement but does not print when the value is 4. Pseudocode.